Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the small size startup ideas, today I am going to talk about the agriculture waste, how this agriculture waste can be converted into the compost, vermicompost, and can be used as a replacement to the other fertilizers. The natural fertilizers are always better. It will have the less side effects. It will not have the degrading effect on the soil and like urea or the chemical fertilizers. So manures are always acted very effectively and efficiently, and this is what we must understand when we talk about the agriculture waste. Agriculture waste must be converted into the biofertilizers. It can be converted into the manures or vermicompost using different methods. So all these methods must be used to convert the agriculture waste into the manures and the fertilizers. Today, the agriculture waste is being burnt, and and because of this burning, we have every year problem into the national capital of Delhi, uh, and it has the negative effect onto the environment, uh, where the breathing has become very difficult. It has the health effect. So this waste can be converted into the compost. This government must encourage conversion of this waste into the compost. Government must encourage conversion of this waste into the manures and the vermicompost. So when this waste is converted into the manures, compost, and the vermicompost, the the use of there is no need of use the urea and other fertilizer, or the least use the use of the urea and fertilizers will be less, and the cost of production will go down substantially for the farmers. Secondly, it will improve the quality of the land, and thirdly, it will have the positive environment effect. There is no black smoke, there is no particles in the environment, and the waste is directly absorbed into the soil. So government must encourage units which converts the agriculture waste into the biofertilizer. Government must encourage the units which converts the agriculture waste into the manures and the vermicompost, and must encourage the uh, natural farming or the organic farming into the farms, because the present farming is creating the lot of salinity in the soil. Because of the fertilizers, urea and chemical fertilizers, salinity of the soil is increasing, and because thousands of hectares of land has become unusable over the period. So this to change this, we must go back to the original method of using the manures and the natural manures, and this will improve the quality of the soil, and this will increase the productivity of the soil. It will solve many problems, which includes the employment into the rural areas. So all these efforts of the government, which government should encourage into the keeping in view of the increasing income of the rural areas, creating more employment into the rural area, and developing new ideas so that the rural local employment can improve. And government must put efforts into developing converting this agriculture waste into the manure, the compost, and the vermicompost. Thank you very much.